But this for those who want to be off the truck. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Well, once again, I had a subscriber ask me a question. They asked me, what are you doing for the winter? Oh, can I tell them some details on how much my equipment costs me? What I'm doing for the winter is preparing for the spring. Coming up with ideas with my flyers, coming up with ideas of how to market, looking at certain areas I cut this spring and this summer, which one of those areas was more lucrative, where do I have my cluster of my clients? That's what I'm doing. Now, you might be asking me also, what am I doing this winter in order to make money? Well, let me be honest with you guys. My business, I have a partner, and that's what he does full time. He works in the business. Now, our customer base is not that big to where we're gonna cut throughout the winter. We probably have maybe 10 to 20 clients that we're gonna cut throughout the winter. That's it. So he also does home improvement. So with the home improvement, that's what he's gonna work on this winter. So he's gonna do the home improvement, and pretty much I'm gonna do marketing and see how we can grow our business and get ready for the spring. Now, my other workers mostly are my family. So let me explain something to you. I believe that you must have someone on your team that sees your vision in order to make your business grow. I've been blessed enough to have family to see my vision, and they are really pretty much, they're down with it. Now, my biggest supporter is my wife. 100%, man. And the reason why this is important, because I'm gonna get to the money in a second. This is important because of she understands our vision for long-term forest retirement. I want to be able to walk away from my job, and I am a school teacher, guys. I'm a school teacher. I want to walk away from my job and go into retirement with a business that actually pretty much can function without me being there. Now, with that being said, the reason why is because, and I'm gonna share a little bit with you. For any of you guys out here who's doing this lawn care and you married, buddy, please, if you don't, you need to get your wife on your team. Because my wife and I, we take our money that we invest or save, and we invest it in our business. And here's the saying that you need to know: feed the baby. That's right, feed the baby. In other words, what I'm saying to you is, if you're taking the profits that you are earning and you're going out and just, I don't know, freelancing with your money, your business is not gonna grow. You need to take what you earn and put it back in the business. That's called feed the baby. So that's what I need you to do. You need to feed the baby. Now, some people are saying, hey, Vic, you know what? I gotta live off that money. I get it. Well, you better hook up with someone who has the same values as you, because my partner and I, he lives off his income, but I am able to feed our business. And that's what you need. That's the reason why with my wife, she understands that. She has a job too, so she helps feed the business. Gotta feed the baby. Gotta feed the baby. So some of the money that I'm earning pretty much all the money that I'm earning for Cutz goes back into Cutz. It goes back into feeding the baby. You gotta look long-term down the road. What are you trying to do? If you're trying to make a living just to, to live, then I understand your business may not be able to grow as fast as others. But if you have the opportunity to connect with someone else, another person who's mowing yards, and you say, hey man, I got 20, how many you got? I got 20, cool, that's collectively we got 40, and how can we grow this together to where one day we're not riding this truck? But this for those who want to be off the truck. you need to learn how to feed the baby. So, based upon the numbers, let me go ahead with the numbers. Someone said, well, how much this stuff cost you, Vic? My box truck cost me $14,000. 14,000. That's just for the truck. Then to put the details and the rack and everything on it, like it's called a dovetail. That's another $2,000, about 25. So all in, fixing it up and everything, probably about $16,500. Easy. Okay. Some of that money was invested from me and my wife. Some of the money we earned through our business. So I want you to understand that. I don't want you to think I'm out here doing it big time and I got all this stuff. No, it's a lot of hard work going into what I do. Okay? And I invest my money back. Like my lawnmowers. My first lawnmower that I got was the Bradley mower. Everyone asked me about that Bradley mower. That Bradley mower cost me maybe less than $4,000. $4,000 to get it here. I guess I'll say it's $4,200. That's the first stand-on I had. It was a 52-inch, and I still use it. It had a 2-year warranty, and I'm gonna buy another one. You know why? Because it is worth it. I can get another more, and it's half the price as my stand-on John Deere. I do have a stand-on John Deere. That was about $8,500. Okay? I'm buying it now. Okay? Pretty much it was 0% interest, 0% interest. And I'm like, can't beat that. And it had a 1,300 hour warranty or a 3-year warranty. By that time I figured I'll pay it off, and that's why we got that one. Plus, I told you, if you look at my other videos, it got a loaner associated with it. What else? So those are my two main mowers. Then my my zero turn. I have a mulch kit. Zero turn is a 930Z. How much that cost me? That cost me $8,000. $8,000, maybe $500. You know, it had like maybe 30 hours on it. And I got this deal from my John Deere relationship. I probably saved myself $600-700 easy. Then I got the 950 lawnmower. Just got that, purchased that. Look at the video. Same thing, about 9,000. Saved maybe about $500 to $700 on it. How did I save the money? Because I build relationships with my dealer. I want to buy equipment. You know, now sometimes I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I buy the equipment sometimes when I don't need the equipment. And you say, why would you do that? Well, that has something to do with taxes. That's another long story. So let's say I earned so much money this year and I don't want to pay taxes on that money, so I go out and buy a piece of equipment. That's just to make it plain, short, and simple. I don't need the income for quick cuts to live. So I have a benefit of taking all that money I earn and put it back in the business. Now, this is only my second year in operation. So I'm sharing this because I don't want you to think that I started out with a push mower and a backpack. But I didn't start off that way. My wife has a job. I have a job. We put our money together. My partner, my business partner, he bought into the business. So it's 3 people I put 2 fingers up. 3 people putting in this income together. That's the way you make it, guys. You make it that way. It's not called family business for no reason. We need to get back to that. We need to get back to understanding you need other people to help this thing to work. And you could do it because everyone has a friend, a family member, someone that you can talk to. And if not, this is what YouTube is all about. I got a guy right now, just met him about a month or so ago. We chopping it up. We're establishing where each other is positioned at, as far as his business, my business. Never know. We might combine both businesses, because at the end of the day, guys, I can't cut all this grass by myself. I don't know how many times I done said this. And the reason why I keep saying it over and over and over is because you can do it. I know you can do it. Small bites of the elephant. I want you guys to be successful, and one of the ways to be successful is you got to build relationships. All right. I think I said it all. Now is the time to get ready to prepare for 2019. Go ahead and put your thinking caps on, guys. Fam, And let's go out here and knock this thing out of the park. All right? If you got any comments, tell me some of the things that is a must when it comes to your partnership in order for you to make it. Yeah, subscribe to my channel too. I'm all over the place today, but man, hopefully you get it from what I'm saying from the heart. All right? Talk to y'all. Peace.